Hello everyone, and welcome to the third video on setting up the Onimator bot with emulators. In this third video, we will show you how to set up the Onimator before we can start adding the devices. Okay, just to let you know, for emulators, one device means one instance. Okay, let's get started. After you download the Onimator bot, as we did here, you'll have the IG version and the dating apps version. We'll start with the IG version in our tutorial, but the setup is approximately the same. There's no big difference. Okay, the first thing you need to do is uninstall any antivirus or malware software installed on your computer. These can affect the bot, and we need to avoid that. And also, you need to disable real-time protection from your computer settings. Here's how you can do that. In the search bar on your Windows machine, type Windows Security and click Virus and Threat Protection. After that, click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, you need to disable this option. Just a heads up, this option might turn back on if you restart your computer, so we need to add the Onimator folder to the exclusion list. To do that, please scroll down and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes when prompted, and then click Add an Exclusion. Select your bot folder. I think we already did that, or no, we didn't. Okay, here we select the bot folder, and done. This is an important step, so please make sure to do that. Now, let's open and set up our Onimator bot. Inside the bot folder, search for the main.exe file, right-click on it, and then select Run as Administrator. After you open the bot, a pop-up will show up to update the bot. It's important to do that so you can use the latest version. All right, here we go. We have the bot opened. Now we need to start adding our devices. To do that, you need to download SDK Tools Platforms from this website. We will leave the link in the description so you can download it to your computer. It's better to put the SDK tools next to your bot folder as we did here. These SDK tools will help us detect the device IDs so we can add them to our Onimator bot. Okay, I think we will stop here for now and see you in the next video.